Hello, doing a walk around of my Citroen ds21 Plus. It's completely restored about 5 years ago, mechanically by David at Excelsior. There's so much pollen. There's no chips. Don Boyk, the Egyptian, I believe out of Ohio, did the restoration of the body, rubber and chrome. Was close to $100,000 just on his end. The paint is just spectacular. I mean, pictures don't do it justice. All new rubber, stainless is polished, chrome, excellent. Like I said, it's just so much pollen. As soon as I wipe it, a minute later it comes back. So there's really no imperfections at all. Straight as can be. I don't know, I probably owned 20, 30 Citroens, and this is by far one of the best. Just the attention to detail is over the top. Turning headlights. Thanks for looking.